Then when you open it up, oh my god. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a fun little video involving some new products and some not so new products. I bought quite a few things from Ulta and ColourPop, and I kind of wanted to do a little bit of like a full face using new products, but no, I don't have enough products to do an entirely full face. So I'm just gonna review the products that I bought and do my makeup with y'all. So I hope you're excited to watch the video. So I'm going to start by doing my eyes, and I'm gonna start with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer. Then I'm going to be going in with the brand new Disney and ColourPop collab eyeshadow palette. And if you know anything about me, you know that I'm a huge makeup lover and Disney lover. So this was like a dream come through. First of all, the packaging is gorgeous. It's got like the signatures of all the different princesses on it. Then when you open it up, you've got all the princesses here on the front and the most gorgeous little palette ever. I'm so excited to try out these colors. I also got a few new brushes when I was at Ulta from Morphe. I've heard good things about Morphe brushes for a long time, so I finally bit the bullet and got a few. I purchased the Morphe M573, which is kind of like a tapered blending brush. I also got the Morphe M330, which is a little bit like more tapered, another blending brush, maybe more so for the crease. And then the last eyeshadow brush I got was the Morphe M165, which is a tapered liner brush, which I'm super excited to use because I've used pencil brushes a lot for like my under eye eyeshadow or whatever, but I haven't used one of these to really get it close to the waterline, so I'm excited to see how that turns out. To start, I'm going to go in with this color Triton on the top right of the palette, and I'm going to use this Kylie just like fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going to apply this right above my crease, kind of in that transition area. This palette has some gorgeous purple and pinky toned eyeshadows, so because we're kind of getting into the fall time and those darker, deeper purples and oranges become really popular, I think I'm gonna go for a purplish smoky eye. So now I have Triton all in my transition area, just like laying a base for the rest of my makeup. And next I'm going to just take this Luxie double-sided brush. Hey babe, can you do me a favor?
Hi, babe.
Can you grab those lashes that are sitting in the center console and bring them up here? I'm going to take this middle color on the bottom row in Magic Carpet, which is like this deep, deep purple, so pretty. I'm just going to take this on this flat Luxie brush, tap off the excess a little bit, and I'm just going to start packing. This color is amazing, holy crap. I'm going to pack this color on my eyelid.
Oh my dog.
Thank you. Do you like that purple?
Let me see. Close your eyes. Oh yeah, that's cute, baby.
Thank you.
Everything on you cute though. I even noticed.
Next, I'm going to take this really tapered blending brush from Morphe. It's the M330, and I'm going to go into this color on the bottom right of the palette called Midnight Curfew. And I'm going to just apply this right in the crease, focusing towards my lower lash line and up in the crease. Ooh, this look is so cool already. I love it. Now I'm just taking a little bit more of that original shade Triton, and I'm just kind of blending out that Midnight Curfew color to make sure that we're not getting a harsh line between the separation of those colors. Ooh, yeah. I like this. I like this a lot. Now I'm going to go back in with this purple shade, Magic Carpet, and I'm just going to put a little bit more because I feel like our color kind of diffused out a little bit as we were blending that black color over top. And then lastly, I'm going to take another little just like really small flat brush, and I'm going to use this color Enchanted Rose on the bottom left of the corner, which I love the name of, Enchanted Rose. Like, I just love how they went all the way with these Disney like names, the colors. Like, I just really feel like they did such a good job representing everything with this palette. So I'm gonna take a little bit of Enchanted Rose, and I'm just going to lightly take that from the inner corner of my eye. Ooh, I love this. Out onto my lid, not totally covering Magic Carpet, but just enough to give myself a little bit of almost like a pink inner corner highlight kind of thing. This is just gonna help draw attention to the center of the face and make your eyes look a little bit bigger and more awake. Next, I'm gonna use this Morphe M573 brush, and I'm just going to lightly dab into Prince Charming, this really, really pretty white color up here. And I'm just going to lightly dust this in under my brow for a little highlight. It's pretty glittery, but I kind of dig it. I don't know. Oh, I got. I literally have eyeshadow all over my face because I accidentally put my pinky finger in Magic Carpet, and I just got it all over my face. Love that. Next, I'm going to take the Morphe M573 again, and I'm going to start with Triton, that original color I went in on my transition area, and I'm going to lightly dust this all the way across my lower lash line. Then I'm just going to take a small pencil brush like this one from Sonia Kashuk, and I'm going to go in with Magic Carpet, and I'm going to, again, blend this underneath my lash line, but sticking a little bit closer to my lash line rather than blending it out so far down. Lastly, I'm going to take a little bit of Enchanted Rose and kind of pop that right towards the inner corner. And I'll take that liner brush, and I'm going to, let me just throw it everywhere. The liner brush M165, and I'm going to dip it into Midnight Curfew. And I'm going to run this just along my lash line very closely, kind of just to tight line that. Then I'm going to take this purple eyeliner from Urban Decay in the color Voodoo, and I'm going to line my waterline. Then I'm going to take this black eyeliner from Express Line, and I'm going to use that to do my tight line up here. And lastly, I'm just going to take a little bit of my Max Fix Plus and another pencil brush like this one from Luxie, spray it a little bit, and I'm going to dip it into Prince Charming right here, that super sparkly white color in the palette. And I'm going to just dab this in the inner corner of my eye. Next, I'm going to work on the face. I'm going to start with the Smashbox Photo Finish Pore Minimizing Primer. I'm just going to use that to prime my skin and get it ready for foundation. Then, for the first time, I am going to be trying the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the color Cloud. I've heard a lot of beauty bloggers talk about this foundation, and when they first came out with it, I really wanted to try it, but they didn't have any shades that matched my skin because your girl's pale AF. But then they came out with some more shades in another launch, and this launch has a shade that works for me, and I'm the shade Cloud, aka white. I know you're probably watching this thinking, oh my god, Holly, that shade is way too light for you. Yes, it would appear that way, wouldn't it? But every foundation, I don't care what I use for primer, what I use for powder, what foundation I use, every foundation oxidizes on me and turns like 2 or 3 shades darker. So if I use a shade that originally matches my skin, by the time it's settled into my skin and everything, it doesn't match me anymore. So I have to go with something even lighter than my actual like face shade. I literally look like a ghost with this on. This is straight up white, holy shit. Next, I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Fair Beige. This actually I have used before, and now I'm worried it's gonna be literally lighter than this foundation. I am so surprised at just how light this foundation is. Like, it kind of has me concerned. I didn't realize when I swatched it in the store that it would be this light. Like, this is straight up white. I'm praying this color oxidizes, which is not something I never thought I'd say. Babe, come look at how pale this foundation is.
Is that good or bad? It's
bad. Like, normally I go for a pale foundation because it turns dark on me for some reason. Like, the way my oils interact with most foundations, it turns dark. And I'm hoping that happens for this one, but like, holy shit, I look like a ghost.
Is it Disney one?
No, it's by a company called Too Faced.
Can I leave?
It's like white. Like, it straight up looks like something you'd buy from the Halloween store.
Yeah, that's weird. Like, I thought your body was white, but you just surpassed it with your face.
I know. Maybe I can redeem myself with some powder. Or it'll oxidize in a few minutes and I'll look normal again. But that probably won't happen knowing my look. The one time I'm like, oh yeah, like everything oxidizes on me. Like I have to get it like a couple shades paler. I end up with this.
Your life is so tragic.
I don't even want to hear it right now. Next I'm going in with the Makeup Forever, what is it called? Pro Finish Powder in 113, which is significantly darker than my current face. So hopefully that'll help us out a little bit. Add some color back into that skin. Well, that's already better, yeah. Then I'm going to use my Morphe Beauty Sponge and the HG Translucent Powder from e.l.f. I'm just going to dip this into the powder and I'm going to apply this powder to my under eyes. Perfect. And then I'm just gonna wipe away any excess. I'm not trying to bake or anything. Gorgeous. So everything is settling into my lines. I'm not about. Next I'm going in with the Bobbi Brown Stone Street Bronzing Powder and this Luxie 502 brush. Swirling that around, tapping off a little bit of the excess, and just using this to actually bring some warmth back into the skin since I look like a ghost. Okay, now we actually look like we're living again, so that's good. Then I'm just gonna take a little bit of this same bronzer and I'm just gonna kind of contour the sides of my nose because I feel like it just looks like a big white blurb in the middle of my face. There we go. Now it has a little bit more dimension. Then I'm going to go in with this Lychee and Gold blush. While my eyelashes just continue to dry, I'm going to go ahead and do my lips. And I want to start with a lip liner. I have this DisneyxColourPop Luxe Lipstick in Ariel, which I'm really excited about. It's like this gorgeous pinky nude, just like absolutely stunning. It's got a little bit of a brownie tone to it. So let's see if I can find a lip liner to match. I'm gonna try out this Rimmel Exaggerate lip liner in the color Epic, which is 045. And let's see if this matches it pretty decently. All right, now we're going in with that Luxe lipstick in Ariel. That's a pretty darn good match, holy crap. I also bought the designer collection, or the DisneyxColourPop designer collection Dream Big Ultra Glossy Lip Bundle, which I thought was adorable because it comes with 3 lip glosses and their names are Bippity, Boppity, and Boo. Like, how freaking cute is that? So, this is Bippity, this is Boppity, and this is Boo, and I think... I think I'm just gonna put the clear one on top because none of those really like match this lipstick. One's a little bit too corally, one's a little bit too pink. So I'm just going to add this on top. Cute. Oh yeah, I love this. I love this. I'm so excited. Okay. Next I'm gonna just curl these fake lashes real quick. But before I put actual mascara on, I'm gonna do just my Fix Plus to go ahead and get my face down so that my mascara doesn't drip all over me. And now that my setting spray has dried, I'm going to go in with the Stila Mile High Lashes Mascara in Jet Black. All right, and that is my look for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a like down below. I'm very happy with every product I purchased. I'm not gonna lie, this Too Faced Born This Way foundation had me in the first half. I was like really concerned that I was gonna look like a ghost. But honestly, as you can see, I feel like it's really turned out with some powder. Maybe it oxidized a little bit and like my bronzer and everything. I feel like it looks really gorgeous. The only thing I don't like is how it also settles into my lines up here because I like lift my brows a lot and I get lines. But every foundation does that, so I can't really complain. So I'm gonna give it like a 9.5 out of 10. This stuff is awesome so far. I'm interested to see how it wears throughout the day. The Tarte Shape Tape, love. I'll always love it. This lipstick, love so much. Same with this lip gloss. I only tried the clear one, but it feels so like hydrating and not sticky at all. I'm so happy about that. And then, ooh, I almost broke this palette, this brand new palette. This palette, I'm giving a solid 10 out of 10. These colors are so pigmented. They blend so beautifully. I love them. I love the colors they chose for this collection. I love all of the names. I am just absolutely ecstatic about this. So yes, that's the look for today. If you want to see more from me, please click subscribe down below. My social media links will be in the description box as well. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.